Determiners, demonstratives. In this module, you'll learn about demonstrative pronouns and their appropriate use. Look at the following pictures and listen to the conversation. Then answer the questions below. Susan, is this the bag you need? This one is too short. That's the one I want. Which bag does Susan want? Can you click on the correct bag? Did you notice the use of the words this and that? These words are called demonstrative pronouns. Demonstratives are a form of determiners. Determiners are words that are used to modify a noun or a pronoun. The four demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, and those. A demonstrative pronoun is used to identify and specify a noun or a pronoun. This refers to a singular noun which is nearby. These refers to a plural noun which is nearby. That refers to a singular noun which is away from you. Those refers to a plural noun which is away from you. Let us look at some examples of the use of demonstrative pronouns. This garbage bin is covered. Here the demonstrative pronoun this refers to a singular noun, garbage bin, which is near the speaker. These garbage bins are uncovered. Here the demonstrative pronoun these refers to the plural noun, garbage bins, which are near the speaker. That boy is throwing the empty food packets on the street. Here the demonstrative pronoun that refers to a singular noun, boy, who is at some distance away from the speaker. Those boys are throwing the empty food packets on the street. Here the demonstrative pronouns those refers to the plural noun boys, who are at some distance away from the speaker. It's important to note that demonstrative pronouns are different from demonstrative adjectives. Look at the following sentences to understand the difference. This is a beautiful garden. Here this is a demonstrative pronoun. This garden is beautiful. Here this is a demonstrative adjective which describes the garden. These are my friends. Here these is a demonstrative pronoun. These friends are mine. Here these is a demonstrative adjective which describes the friends. Did you notice that when the demonstrative is just before a noun, it functions as an adjective to describe the noun? When it appears at the front of the sentence, it acts as the subject and becomes a demonstrative pronoun. Let's recall what we have learned. Demonstratives are a form of determiners. Determiners are words that are used to modify a noun or a pronoun. A demonstrative pronoun is used to identify and specify a noun or a pronoun. The four demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these, those. Demonstrative pronouns are different from demonstrative adjectives.